Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to use OpenAI to load the image. Sometimes it's very difficult to describe your problem with the language. So for example, like some geometry stuff, it's difficult to describe that by text. So we need to use the image to tell OpenAI what we are going to do. This one is a very simple sample. I can show you, like for example, this one I want the OpenAI to calculate the size, the area for this geometry, for this polygon. So it's difficult to describe that by text. So let's show you how to ask OpenAI to do this stuff. So we need to use the OpenAI 4.0 or OpenAI 4 or even OpenAI 4.0 mini, because 3.5 does not support the image. So let's start. First thing, let's create a new file. So let's create a main file. We need use OpenAI, so we need to import the OpenAI. I also would like to import this guy, because this one will load the image and convert the image to base64 string. So let's say first thing, let's create an OpenAI object client. So I already have something over here, so let's copy over here. This basically creates the OpenAI object. After creating that, I will load the image. Load the image, we could you can find some code to load the image and encode that to base 64. So this one basically, okay, open a file, read binary, and convert that to the base 64 string. Because OpenAI not support you put the binary or string directly to the OpenAI, you have to use the base 64. Okay, so let's now let's get the base 64 image. So let's equal image. Let's load the image. Before I load the image, I need to call this one. So I need to give the image name. So I just drag an image to here. Okay, so you have the image. So let's say, okay, so I load the image. So basically this will load the image to the memory and convert it to the base 64. Now it's time to call the API. So let's use this object. Say okay, chat dot competition dot create. Okay. So you can take a look at what the parameter we have. This is the SDK from the OpenAI. So you can take a look at what parameter we have. I think we need to at least these two parameters, the model. So let's say model. This model equal, let's say GPT 4.0. We also need another one, which is a message. It's not, we don't have something like an image or something, but you have the message. We need to put the image to the message object. So this one, you can check the OpenAI SDK. They have more detail about the parameter format. So right now I just put it over here. So message, the first one we need to tell OpenAI what we want the OpenAI do. So the first row we use the system. This is a high level prompt. So it basically tell OpenAI, okay, you ask something, you need to do something for us. This won't contain too much detail. So we need another one. Say okay, get some more detailed information. So it's this one. This one will contain more detailed information. Talk about, let's say, okay. This one contain more details. So it's basically tell, okay, I need you calculate the area for the shape in the image. Basically calculate the size. So I also need to specify the image. This is the image. This is a base64 image. So I post this to the OpenAI, and OpenAI will get me some result. I think they are pretty much all we need. So now this is we post that, but we need to put the result to somewhere. Response equal this one. So we put the response. Let's print the response. Print the result. Let's print the result. Print the response. And now we have the response, have the choice object. So I know it have one. So actually you need to check if how many choices they have and print all of them. But for this sample, I know it has, so I just put over here. I know it has a message. I know it has a content. So you could set a breakpoint. Say what we have. I will show you in a minute. So now let's run this. It's pretty simple. Just go. Okay. You can say it's calculated here is the result. It's give you the detailed steps how you calculate the size. So it's pretty simple. It's load the message. Let's load the image and post the image to the OpenAI, and give some instruction to the OpenAI, and OpenAI will give you the result. If you don't know what exactly is returned, you could set a breakpoint over here. So now you debug this one. It will give you more results during the runtime. Okay. So you can say if you set a breakpoint, it will get your response. You can say you have only one response, which is good. And inside of this response, you have inside of this response, you have a message. You also have some different property. You can check the OpenAI SDK. So I know this one is what we want. Yeah, I think that pretty much or how to send an image to the OpenAI and ask OpenAI to do something, give you the result. Yeah, that pretty much. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye.